Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with quick share on your Samsung device. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open settings application on your device and go to connected devices. Then after at the top, click on quick share. Then you will see the option of who can share with you. Simply click on it and make sure anyone nearby or simply contact only has been chosen. Then after, again go to settings, go to battery and device care, and as you can see the battery performance at the top, simply click on it and make sure power saving has been toggled off, as that can also cause sometime problem with quick sharing. Then after go to more battery settings, you will see the option of adaptive battery. Make sure this feature is also toggled off. After that, go to apps in your setting, search for quick share application of your Samsung phone and make sure cache has been cleared. So in this setting, go to storage and there you will see the option of clear cache. Simply click on it and then you're good to go. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with quick share on your Samsung device. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.